She burns the bridges in my head by lighting up a fire. Bury my old thoughts instead so you could feel the same.
What's good, you guys? My name is Ram Khatri and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna draw a realistic eye. So without wasting any time, draw a cross, vertical and horizontal line on your sheet. Draw a circle along with the intersection of the line and just follow me along. Don't forget to draw the pupil and the reflection of the light that falls on your eyes. I'm using a permanent marker to cover the pupil because I don't want to waste any time and it's gonna be black anyway. Shade the entire pupil with 2B pencil. I'm using a Staedtler pencil and don't forget to use a brush, any soft bristle brush. Darken the edges of the iris. And now it's time to darken the area around the pupil. Now it's time to draw the veins in the eyes or whatever you want to name it. I'm using a mono 0 eraser and a 4B pencil. Darken the area in the pupil that you think will be dark, or just follow me. I'm using a paper stump to mix the graphite properly. Now again make some more lines to make it look more realistic. Now use a 6B pencil to darken the area around the corners. Now it's time to rub some graphite and the edges of the white area of the eye that is never white. Make the edges clear and don't forget the upper eyelid. Again, I am using a black permanent marker to cover the eyelash area. Make a white gap in the lower eyelid so that it looks more realistic. From the lower eyelashes will come.
So good in the morning light, reflections in my mind. Missing the fights, I don't care if I'm right. Let's just buy a bit more. Can I give you all my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love.
Till I make the eyelashes. Have a look at the beautiful weather around. Don't forget to follow me on Insta. Now it's time to shade the lower eye, or you can say under eye. What we need to do is all shading and shading and shading. That's what I'm doing. Now let's create some lower eyelash. Now I guess it's time to create some more highlights and the reflection of the upper eyelashes. light reflected area of the iris. It makes the eye look more realistic, and I guess the drawing is over. Congratulations, you are fully qualified to draw an eye.